Hello friends, my name is Dipesh. Today's video is all about how to write test function and test file in Pytest framework. As we already discussed in previous video, there are some prerequisites that need to be installed on Windows machine. So these are Python 3.6 should be installed and configured. Pytest framework should be installed using pip command, pip install Pytest, and the recommended ID to work on the Pytest framework is PyCharm, and we will run all the test cases using Pytest-v command, which will detect all the Pytest test cases on the basis of rules defined in Pytest framework itself. Let's open PyCharm. We'll create a file, first file with the name test underscore first script So the file name is test underscore first script. Now we will define test function. Test function name should be start with the test underscore. So first we'll do addition of two number. So a will take some variable. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Now we'll assert the values, and there is some another test functions which we are going to define to do the multiplication of two number. So x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 2, and assert their multiplication The third test function will define the divide of a number. So let's say c is equal to 20 and the d is equal to 2. Now we'll divide c divided by d and we'll assert the values, its remainder. So we have defined three test functions here. Now let's go to the terminal and run the test case. So this is the command to execute the test case, Pytest-v. It will detect all the test cases, the name which are start with test underscore. So you can see one test case is failed and two test cases passed. So this is expected because in divide the assert value is not matching. So that's why the test case is failed. Other two test cases are passed. So this is a small demo of how to create a test file and test function in Pytest framework. Next video we'll talk about how to write test cases using Selenium and or Pytest framework. Thank you very much guys.